Hi, welcome. So yeah, I made this front twisted dress for my mom. She got the style from this one. So this is my first time making this dress, which I thought would be complicated, but it wasn't complicated at all. You just know how to twist it, and that is all. So we got 6 yards of silk Duchess fabric. Well, I thought the 6 yards would be enough, but it wasn't enough to make the wrap skirt because the style came with a wrap skirt. This is the illustration for the front wrap twisted dress with the measurement. Don't also forget that while cutting the front part, you cut out the front side, then you flip over to cut out the second side. I also included the measurement for the elastic, the skirt elastic, which is 31 inches. Use the illustration to create your pattern. If you're plus size, you can adjust it if you're medium size or small size. So here I go, aligning the pieces together, right sides together. So I pinned at the shoulder slash sleeve, then at the side seam, then I sew. Don't forget to cut out your pattern. You cut out the front piece first, then you flip it to the other side, cut out the other side, because it's like a wrap dress, like making a wrap dress, so you can using one piece, so you have to flip it to the other side in order to cut the other side of the front, so you don't get two same front side. I hope you understand that. After sewing the shoulders and the side seams, I double folded the sleeve, that's the armhole, and sew. Next, I'm going to hem the bottom all the way to the neck. So I'm going to fold them and hem. So, okay, I'm going to start from here and hem all the way. So let's start hemming. I think I should do this one first. So now I have pinned everything round all the way to the neck and down to the bottom all the way. So just okay, my pin wasn't enough to get to the side, just the side left. So I just pull out the pin of the one I've sewn and put it there. So I'm running it now, but you can see that I have hemmed all the side from the neck. I just want it my mom is not here, so I just want to drape it first on my body before I continue sewing. So now I'm going to press all the hem lines. So I have pressed and arranged them so facing me the facing me, yes, the right side go in first, then the left side. So I'm going to twist it at the neck side. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I've already tried it on. I've already tried it, like I wore it since my mom is not here, so I wore it and tried the twist. So I'm going to put this one down, then put this one, then sew it, stitch the neck. So let me show you how. Okay, so this one goes in here. I put this one like this, then I take this one like this first, then I will take this that is facing me there. Okay, this is the left side. I will take it, I've twisted it, so I'm going to put it here in order for me to sew it front side facing front side, and I pin and sew. Then I'll try it on. I wish my mom was here. I just noticed that I don't have to hem this part while hemming the whole body. So I'm going to sew here. Okay, hold on. So I'm going to sew here, then cut this side and lock it. So that's what I'm going to do now, because I just realized that I don't need this bulk right here. So I'm going to start sewing from here. Here I'm done sewing the neck. So what I did next was to try the dress on, so I'll be able to cover the open space while trying it on. So what I did was to fold the neck. If you don't want the neck this big, you can fold it again. So I just folded it once, then place it over my head to the back and pin. So that is all. Pin all the way just to cover the opening to create the twist. So I just flipped it, the right side facing the right side, though they're both right sides. So I just pinned from the neck all the way down, leaving just the wrap space. I hope you understand this part. Just watch. Yeah, I was just trying to make sure that the center of the wrap neck is aligned with the center of the back neck. After doing this, I had to pin everything over again because, yeah, the center wasn't aligned together. So I start sewing from
together. Last one. Plie. Here we go.
So I'm done. I'll wait for my mom to come and try it on so you can see the side. Yeah. So you can see the side joined up to the next side. So the next one is the skirt. So this is all that is left for the fabric. Not enough to do a wrap skirt. I wish I did a wrap skirt because it's easier. So now I'm going to make a skirt with an elastic waist. So it's going to be a free skirt, maybe a side slit. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do the illustration too. So I'm going to sew the side seams for the skirts. I left this space right here for the slits, so I'm just going to sew this. Then I will I will lock this side and fold enough to accommodate the waist band, and that is it for the skirt. Then hem the bottom of the skirt, and that is all. So before doing this, I have to lock the edges before I sew. After locking and sewing the side seams, next I folded the slit and sew. So next I'm going to lock the top of the skirts. Okay, next I folded the top of the skirt to create the channel to insert the elastic. Don't forget to leave a space to insert the elastic. Okay. The final step is to hem the bottom of the skirt, and voila, the dress is ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, also don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye.